first of all, you have to go to layout, size, and A4 margins and narrow. Go to insert and go to shapes and select this rectangle. And next, you have to change its color to purple and remove its outline. Now, what you have to do is duplicate it, and you have to increase the size of the duplicated rectangle and move both of them upwards. There you go. Now the next thing you have to do is decrease their size a little bit. Go to insert shapes and choose this shape. Move it between the both of the rectangles. Go to shape fill and black. Outline, no outline. There you go. Now what you have to do is go to and select a text box. Shape outline to no outline and no fill. You're gonna add text in here. Go to home and change its color to white. No, purple will be fit and increase its size to 48. There you go. Write the company's name and the title. Go to home, increase its size to 24. Go to outline and no outline. Now what you have to do next is, yeah, you have to increase the size, copy it and paste the rectangle, increase its size and move it towards the bottom. Go to shapes and choose this triangle and place it like right here like this. Go to align middle and align center. There you go. I have placed it here. Change its color to white and remove its outline. Increase its size. Align middle. Now go to shapes and choose this diamond. Place it like this. Rotate the previous triangle. Align it to the center. Now add the diamond right here. Place it like this and adjust it. Go to outline, no outline. Give it an outline and remove its color. Make its outline more full up. And you have to add the same purple diamond and place it inside the first diamond. Adjust it like this. Now add a line. Place it like this and increase its weight to 3 pt. Copy and paste it. Move it like this. Place it upwards. Increase this first line size. Move it towards the left side. Adjust it straight. There you go. Adjust all the lines. Go to insert and insert this shape again. Change its color to purple. And add a text box in it. Add any icon of mobile phone. Now fill it up into black color. There you go. Adjust it wisely. That's it. Paste it two more times and place them side by side. Change the graphic to male and change this graphic into, you have to change this one into web. There you go, I have added the text. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this. Until then, bye.